Let's jump straight into the best electric saws you can buy right now. Ranked number 3, the Skill 508001 13 amp 7/1/4 inch circular saw is a powerful and affordable option for heavy-duty tasks. With a 13 amp motor that delivers 5,300 RPM, this saw is designed for speed and efficiency, making it ideal for fast cuts. It features a 51 degrees bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees, allowing for a wide range of angled cuts using the carbide tipped blade included. Weighing just 6.95 pounds, this circular saw is lightweight, which reduces user fatigue, enabling longer work sessions. The two-point line of sight ensures straight cuts, while the improved dust blower clears sawdust from the line of cut for better visibility. The anti-snag lower guard provides smooth operation, even for narrower cutoffs, enhancing the tool's versatility. Changing blades is quick and easy with the spindle lock and onboard wrench storage, reducing downtime between tasks. For added safety, the saw features a safety lock and guarded trigger, preventing accidental starts. Additionally, the rear lever depth adjustment allows you to quickly set your desired cutting depth. Priced at just $40, the Skill 508001 offers excellent value for its power, precision, and range of features, making it a great option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Ranked number 2, the Bosch CS10 15 amp circular saw is a powerful and user-friendly tool, ideal for a wide range of cutting tasks. Featuring a 15 amp high output motor, this saw delivers fast, smooth cutting at various angles, making it suitable for different projects. Its 7/1/4 inch blade paired with a 56 degree bevel capacity allows for flexibility, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees for accurate angled cuts. Weighing 10.3 pounds, the Bosch CS10 is lightweight and easy to handle, offering comfort during extended use. Its durable magnesium footplate provides increased stability, ensuring precise cuts every time. The saw's unobstructed view of the cutting line enhances visibility, leading to more accurate results. To improve user comfort, it is equipped with a soft grip handle, making it easier to use for longer periods. For added convenience, the Bosch CS10 features a dust blower to keep the cutting area clean, improving visibility and overall cutting precision. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this saw offers the perfect combination of power, precision, and comfort for a variety of cutting projects. Priced at $99, it provides excellent value for its features, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile circular saw. Ranked in the number 1 position, the DeWalt Circular Saw DWE575SB is a dependable tool built to handle even the toughest tasks. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, this lightweight saw delivers both power and versatility. It comes equipped with a 7/1/4 inch blade and a 57 degrees beveling capacity, featuring stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees for precise angled cuts, with a 2.9 by 16 inch depth of cut. This saw is capable of handling a variety of applications, making it a versatile option for different tasks. Durability is a standout feature of the DeWalt DWE575SB. It has an anti-snag ball-bearing lower guard that ensures smooth operation and extends the saw's lifespan, even in tough working environments. The tough cord design adds extra durability by preventing cord pullouts, and the integrated dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, improving accuracy. The high-grade aluminum smooth base further enhances cutting precision, while the clear line of sight aids in blade visibility from multiple angles. This circular saw is ideal for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts, offering a solid combination of performance and ease of use. Priced at $150 on Amazon, the DeWalt DWE575SB provides next-level durability, accuracy, and versatile cutting capabilities. That's it for this video on the 3 best electric saws of 2024. We hope you found this video to be useful. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more such videos. Also do share your thoughts in the comments section below.